The province of Antique is endowed with a unique geological formation, caves that tell stories of our history, biodiversity, and the environment. Karst is a type of landscape formed from limestone, also known as chalk or calcium carbonate, a soft rock that dissolves in water. Karst landscapes emerge when water slowly carves its way through soluble rocks. This natural sculpting process gives rise to breathtaking underground wonders, including intricate cave systems. Enigmatic and remarkable, caves feature beautiful calcite formations built up over thousands of years through the gradual accumulation of sediments. These natural voids in the Earth's surface are filled with chambers and tunnels waiting to be discovered. Why are karst ecosystems and caves important? Karst landscapes act as natural reservoirs, storing and filtering fresh water in underground rivers and aquifers. While caves serve as irreplaceable habitats for cave-dwelling species. Caves need to be preserved as they are natural wonders that reveal secrets from the past. Some of the most delicate cultural and archaeological artifacts can be preserved in caves for several millennia. Beyond these, properly assessed caves contribute to sustainable ecotourism, boosting the local economy. Despite their ecological importance, our caves and their unexplored history remain threatened by vandalism and exploitation due to unregulated and unsustainable tourism activities. The provincial government of Antique, in support of RA 9072, the National Caves and Cave Resources Management and Protection Act, passed Provincial Ordinance No. 2021-256, declaring April as Cave Month in the province of Antique and providing funds thereof. This provincial ordinance aims to raise awareness of the ecological value of caves and to intensify efforts to maintain the integrity of caves and cave resources. The celebration of Cave Month in Antique is more than just an event. It is a movement towards environmental consciousness and sustainability. Through this celebration, the province takes a stand to protect its caves and the life within them, securing a future where nature and people thrive together. This year's Cave Month celebration theme remains Cueva, Mangad, Historia, inviting us to continue exploring the hidden treasures of our natural and cultural landscapes. Caves are time capsules that hold the whispers of ancient stories. To uncover these stories, to understand the mysteries they keep, is to unlock a treasure greater than gold. Beyond precious gems and minerals, the true wealth of caves lies in the boundless knowledge they guard. They are witnesses of the lives, traditions, and legends of those who came before us. By celebrating these living archives, we are ensuring that their stories continue to inspire and their treasures endure for generations to come. Let us always remember that for caves to be explored and visited, they must first be classified by the Regional Cave Committee. Let us help protect, preserve, and conserve our Cueva, Mangad, Historia.